What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're going to be doing a ball fade on my boy Alex, so stay tuned. Starting off with our go to effects, we're going to create our first guideline and ball them out. When you're using your trimmers to ball out, you want to make sure you're stretching the skin so the teeth of the clipper don't feed into the pore. Now that we're done balling them out, we're going to move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever midway and all the way closed would help you erase that initial guideline. Moving on to the back side of the fade. You want to make sure you make your guidelines a little bit thicker than on the sides due to the hair density and occipital bone. Now that we're done with our no guard all the way open, we're going to switch over to our one guard all the way open and create our third guideline. You're going to use the one guard with the lever midway and all the way close to soften up that line and get it ready for the half guard. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. I see that a lot of you guys are subscribing and leaving comments. Man, it means a lot. Keep it up, guys. It's keeping me motivated to keep uploading every day because it's pretty hard to do it, but it's all good. I don't care. I'm going to do it anyways. Now that we're done with the one guard, we're going to switch over to our half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done blending the bottom half of the fade, we're going to move on to the top half of the fade and start off with our two guard all the way open. Now that we're done softening up the line with the two guard, we're going to move on to our 1.5 guard and erase the line completely. I'm going back to my one guard all the way open just to detail some dark spots that I see. Now to blend into the top, we're going to use our 3 guard all the way open and flick out. Moving Moving on to our clipper over comb method, this is going to tie the fade all together. When the cutting blade is horizontally, I'm debulking, and when the cutting blade is vertically, I'm blending. Using our one guard all the way open, we're going to create our third guideline and soften up the line for the half guard. Now that the line's soft enough to be taken out with the half guard, we're going to move on to our half guard and erase the line completely. Using our 2 guard all the way open, we're going to get it ready for our 1.5 guard. So we're going to soften up the line with the lever midway and all the way closed. Using our clipper over comb method, we're going to tie the fade all together because there's a few dark spots that I still see. Before we start to line him up, we're going to debulk a few dark spots on his hairline. Using the gold effects, we're going to slowly etch in our line. We're going to be using Elegant Shave Gel and Derby Premium blades. We're also going to be using a Turkish razor to get them as crispy as possible. Again, I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe. It's greatly appreciated. see I'm going against the grain with the blade here.